सही लग रहा ना? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is AMGTV आरवी गोयल और आज हम करने वाले कुछ बहुत डिफरेंट. अब ये डिफरेंट नहीं है क्योंकि बहुत लोग कर चुके हैं ये क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन. तो मैंने सोचा, मैं भी बोर हो रहा था तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी कर लूं. तो बिना किसी टाइम वेस्ट करिए बिना किसी टाइम वेस्ट करे चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बहुत बेसिक है. व्हाट्स योर हाइट? जी मेरा हाइट है 5'11". That's what I think. मेरे को लगता है मेरा हाइट 5'11" है. मैंने actually I haven't checked it since a long time, but I think it's 5'11". And मेरे को 6 foot पहुंचना है. मेरे को 6 foot पहुंचना है. So the next question is, where would you go if you were allowed to travel right now? देखिए बहुत जगह जा सकते हैं. हम दिल्ली जा सकते हैं, हौसखास विलेज में, लेह लद्दाख. जी हाँ, if you haven't seen my vlogs, जाओ देख लो. मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाला है लिंक. देख लो मेरे व्लॉग्स. आई वांट टू गो टू लेह लद्दाख अगेन. ऑल्दो अभी चाइना और लेह लद्दाख का थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, बट लेह लद्दाख इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेसेस. मूविंग ऑन, व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट एक्टिविटी? व्हाट डू यू लव टू डू? Okay, so this is by Dimpy Jaiswal. Hello. And my favorite activity is actually I dance. I like to do voice impressions.
Hey Farhan, what's up? Ritik, I mean it's fantastic यार. मैं जादू को कब से ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I can't find जादू. क्या करूँ मैं क्या करूँ?
Ritik, I think you should दिलों में बेताबियां लेके जल रहे हो तो.
Oh come on Farhan, shut the f.
So yeah, that's about it. That's what I do in my free time. थोड़ा सा drawing भी करता हूँ. And yes, moving on. Hey, what is your workout routine? So guys, first of all, if you want to transform from fat to thin, then just DM me here on Instagram because that's exactly what I did. I transformed from fat to thin. Here are a few pictures. I'm working on thin to muscular right now. अभी ज़्यादा muscle नहीं है. But anyways, a few tips are that guys, एक 21 days का cycle होता है. Just exercise for 21 days continuous. No breaks, and you will start seeing the change. That's exactly what I did. And once I started seeing the change, then I again continued to work out. Then I could see the results. So yeah, you have to do a lot of cardio. Right now I'm ignoring cardio because I've already lost a lot of weight, and now I have to become muscular. So I'm doing mostly abs and pull-ups and all that stuff. But yeah, do a lot of cardio, running, jumping jacks, skipping. ये सब बहुत अच्छा है. I'm not even kidding. हो जाएगा. अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो आप भी कर सकते हैं. Question is skin care.
Fair and Lovely makes you noticeably fairer, gently, safely.
इतना अच्छा भी नहीं है. मतलब बीच में यहाँ पर थोड़े से पिंपल्स आ गए थे, बट स्किन केयर के लिए. नमस्ते आंटी. But yeah, skin care के लिए guys, I use Cetaphil as a face wash and I use Emollient as my face cream. और I also use Cetaphil का ही एक moisturizer face cream मिलता है. I use that also, really good for your skin. And also ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए. That's also another solution. Because गर्म पानी से क्या होता है? If it becomes too hot, then it destroys your little skin pores and stuff. जी हाँ, मैंने बहुत research किया है इस पे. And also another thing is that while you're washing your face, circular motion में करो. Because if you do that, तो blood flow ज़्यादा बढ़ेगी and then your face will look a little bit more fresh. We have got favorite song to dance to. देखिए इतने सारे गाने हैं इस दुनिया में. There's no favorite song. दिलजीत दोसांझ का भी एल्बम आया है GOAT करके. In that there's a song called GOAT and it's भांगड़ा. I love Punjabi song. पंजाबी भी मजा आता है. तो yeah, my guilty pleasure, Mr. Tony Kakkar. I love his songs actually. Lyrics थोड़े से messed up होते हैं, but कुर्ता पजामा is new song. मजा आता है.
कुर्ता पजामा काला काला काला.
Next up, favorite movie. Now favorite movie, again same thing. I don't have any favorite movie to be honest. And right now I'm more of a web series person. मैंने देखा है असुर, Family Man, Special Ops, आर्या, पाताल लोक. So these are a few web series I've been watching and they are absolutely fabulous. Such underrated actors. To be honest, web series are just taking over films. एंड या दैट्स अबाउट इट। फिल्म्स में तो बहुत सारे हैं मेरे पास। फेवरेट एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस, फेवरेट एक्टर में वी हैव गॉट मिस्टर अक्षय कुमार, लाइक व्हाट कैन ही नॉट डू, आयुष्मान खुराना, रणवीर सिंह, मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन, and actress में we have got Alia Bhatt and Alaya for Nature Wala. I know she has done just one film which is Jawani Jaiman, but मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. She is a very natural actor. And are you also gonna join acting like your mom and papa? If not acting, then what? And in which whatever field? She's not written Scalzi, but yes, I'm mostly planning to do something in the entertainment industry itself, filmmaking, acting, script writing. I'm good at it all. Or I can also, if that doesn't work out for me, then I can become a choreographer, an artist. Yes, I draw, and I can also become a YouTuber. Because why not? अगर चल गया तो I can do that also. Favorite vacation? लेह लद्दाख. इंडिया में भी इतने अच्छे जगह है. It was too much fun. So the next question is, what's your dream for the future? I already said one of my dreams is I want to get into filmmaking and acting. What sort of movies do you like the most? Yes, I love rom-coms and thrillers, whether it is psychological thriller, suspense thriller, mystery thriller, any kind of thriller film. I enjoy them. What are your plans after finishing 12th grade? Might go to FTII, which is in Pune. अभी तक 11th में हो तो देखते हैं आगे का क्या है, हम डिसाइड कर लेंगे. बस 1 साल और रुकने दो. And what would you wanna do if not actor or dancer? मैंने बोल दिया है. Okay, your first crush, sir. यार ऐसे क्या याद दिला रहे हो यार, मुझे शर्म आ रही है यार. भीगे होठ तेरे. Psych! But yeah, my first crush actually was in 1st grade. अभी मैं बोलूँगा नहीं, I mean I wouldn't call that a crush, but my proper crush, जिसको मैंने 3 साल के लिए लाइक किया, वो था 6th grade. Your biggest support systems are actually my family members, obviously, वो तो है ही. And there are a few group of friends, I would say like 5 or 6, who are really always there for me. And I appreciate that. Thank you. And also you guys are also a great support system. What do you feel about your father? अभी क्या कहे हम अपने पापा के बारे में? Actually training under him right now. That's how I can see that's why I can see my results. Because when I was training under myself, all I did was lose weight, and I think that is easier than gaining muscle. So now I'm gaining muscle. I'm training with him every day, and yeah, he's an inspiration. This quote is actually inspired by him, and I'm here because of him. And he's a great dancer. Also, yeah, he is a great dancer. Matchball season 1 winner, runners up, and also a great actor. Love his work, and that's about it. I love him. Aww. Okay. How was the first episode of the new normal? कि अभी first episode of the new normal क्या था? पूरा कहानी story time. So basically, first of all, huge thanks to Beer Biceps, because he's the one who inspired me, even my father, even my brother Ashish Sharma, to start this show. And the first episode basically कैसा गया है? I just started. I went to my dad. I'm like, I want to start this show called The New Normal, जहाँ पर I interview people and I talk about different hair care tips, love tips, and all of this other stuff. And पहले it was just like, हाँ ठीक है. My dad was like, अच्छा ठीक है करना है, हाँ ठीक है कर ले. But he did not want to do this like actually, मतलब seriously करना है मेरे को ये. Like I want to interview big celebrities and stuff. So he's like, ठीक है फिर देखते हैं क्या करना है. Then I contacted my brother Ashish Sharma, and then I spoke to him about how shall I go about it. He gave me a lot of tips. Then I put on my story, he DM'd me, there were other people also, Aman Jesani, etc. And they sent me logos, and I picked the best logo, thanks to Pasho. And New Normal, the name was decided by me. And उसके बाद first episode का तो मतलब कहानी कुछ अलग है. One day we sat, रात को हम बैठे थे, me and my father, and then in the hall actually we were filming it, but it looked too professional, मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही professional लग रहा था. तो हमने सोचा ठीक है यार बाद में कर लेंगे. Then 1 week went, 2 week went, 3 week went. Then we were like यार कर क्या रहे, मेरा first episode आना बाकी है. Then we sat and then we went with the flow, and it took almost 2 hours. गर्मी में बैठ रहे थे हम लोग, and it went so well. It was so unexpected. बहुत अच्छा गया and I'm really glad it went so well. So thank you everyone, because that's one of my most liked videos. 71 likes. मतलब it's not such a big number obviously, but compared to my other videos, great. How has your lockdown been is our next question. ये लॉकडाउन में बहुत कुछ चीजें हो चुकी हैं मेरे साथ. नंबर 1, पेट कम हो गया मेरा and I'm so glad. लॉकडाउन इज एक्चुअली गोइंग प्रीटी ग्रेट. 2 महीने के लिए आई कुड हैंडल. उसके बाद तो भाई मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया. बट हाँ, अभी थोड़ा सा मजा आ रहा है बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. यूट्यूब थोड़ा हम लोग का ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई चल रहा है, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा चीटिंग कर रहे हैं. फेवरेट प्लेस यू हैव एवर बीन. बट सब सेम क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं. गो टू दुबई जाना है मुझे दिल्ली जाना है अपने परिवार के पास, एंड नानी का घर.
कजरी ये होया.
People that inspire you. Okay, my mom, my dad, my parents. Every day I learn something new, and it's just amazing because they both are actors, and learning from them is the best kind of thing. मतलब घर पे ही है 2 actors. I mean, I should take that. I take that opportunity to learn new things from them and learn more about filmmaking, acting, and how it is on the sets, etc. What's your favorite movie of all time? देशद्रोही, जहाँ पर KRK है हमारे लीड कास्ट.
मगर क्यों?
When are you going to post more choreos? Yes, I'm working on it. तो choreos में अभी क्या कहूँ, इतना सारा काम है. But anyways, my brother Tanish Sharma, he did a workshop. He's an amazing dancer. I learned a song called Kala Kardi, and I will actually shoot the choreo. Which choreography is your favorite? Man, there are many. But I'll name a few. One of them is Scooby-Doo Papa, which I had done with Ricky Sarang. They are 2 amazing, talented people. And Gunguru, which my brother Tanish Sharma choreographed. Who is your next new normal? Who is your next new normal next contestant, or dancer or a singer? Dancer or a singer? Well, I mean, it can be anyone else also. It's not compulsorily a dancer or a singer, but maybe a singer, maybe a dancer. You never know. Techniques and ways to become a good dancer. I started dancing with Shamak Davar since the age of, I don't know, 8, 9, and then I did for like 4 years, 5 years, and it was great. It was like Bollywood dancing. तो मेरा और मतलब मजा. So there are no techniques as such. Just enjoy it while you're dancing. Because if you don't enjoy, and if you're going according to the steps, मतलब यार इसके आगे ये step है, then just go with the flow basically. You have to be confident. Lip syncing करना चाहिए, मतलब गाने के साथ गाना चाहिए. Then that's how you will feel it, and अपने body को just move as much as possible. You know? This is a very interesting question. Have you ever dreamt of making your own movie and one day and your dad acting in it? Yes, obviously I've thought about this. I think many people think about this, but yeah, with my dad acting in it, that's going to be a lot of fun. It's like I'm going to be the villain and he's going to be the hero, or he's going to be the villain, I'm going to be the hero. Just imagine. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below. Now another thing is that I promise you guys, I'll try to post at least 1 video एक हफ्ते में, because I think I need to be consistent, more consistent, because people are asking me for videos. So yeah, new normal episode 2 will be coming soon. Till then, if you enjoyed, I hope मजा आया, and stay safe.